Imagine planning your dream trip to Japan. Tokyo's neon lights illuminating the bustling streets, the tranquil beauty of Kyoto's ancient temples surrounded by cherry blossoms, and the unforgettable taste of fresh sushi prepared right before your eyes. Japan is a country where tradition and innovation blend seamlessly, offering something for every kind of traveler. But what if your adventure could go even further? What if Japan offered you a free domestic flight, opening up a world of possibilities to explore regions you might never have considered? It's not just a dream. Japan Airlines, in partnership with the Tourism Board, is giving international visitors the chance to win free flights to hidden gems scattered across the country. This is your invitation to see Japan in a whole new way. Imagine wandering through peaceful countryside dotted with rice fields, strolling down the charming streets of small towns, or gazing at breathtaking mountain vistas far from the usual tourist crowds. You could land in Tokyo, soak up the city's energy, and then find yourself hiking through the lush forests of Kyushu, discovering natural wonders and local traditions. Or picture yourself unwinding on the pristine beaches of Okinawa, where crystal-clear waters and soft sand offer the perfect escape from the everyday. The Win a Trip with JAL campaign is your golden ticket to a unique and unforgettable adventure, giving you the freedom to explore beyond the ordinary. Japan is eager to share its rich culture and legendary hospitality with you. This isn't just a visit, it's a chance to connect with local people, experience authentic traditions, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Are you ready to discover a side of Japan that few tourists ever get to see? Hidden villages, secret spots, and genuine experiences await. Let's dive in and show you exactly how you can make this free flight a reality and start planning the adventure of a lifetime in Japan. Why would Japan, a top tourist destination, give away free flights? It sounds almost too good to be true, but there's a fascinating reason behind this bold move. Japan is famous for its vibrant cities, rich culture, and stunning landscapes, attracting millions of visitors every year. But with so many tourists flocking to the same places, the country faces a unique challenge. The answer? Balance. While Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka are bustling with crowds, many rural regions are hoping for more visitors to experience their unique charm. These lesser-known areas offer a different side of Japan, filled with natural beauty, history, and warm hospitality. Japan has set an ambitious goal: to welcome 60 million tourists a year by 2030, but to do it sustainably. That means spreading the benefits of tourism across the entire country, not just the famous hotspots. Free domestic flights are a creative way to encourage travelers to venture beyond the usual routes. By making it easier to reach remote destinations, Japan hopes to support local communities and help them thrive. When you spend time and money in small towns, you're directly supporting local families, small businesses, and traditional ways of life. Your visit can make a real difference. Over-tourism is a growing challenge in popular cities, so Japan is inviting you to discover uncrowded, authentic places where you can connect with the real spirit of the country. From Hokkaido's snowy peaks in the north to Okinawa's sunny beaches in the south, every region has its own unique charm, traditions, and flavors waiting to be explored. This campaign is about sharing the real Japan, its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and centuries-old traditions that you won't find in guidebooks. It's a smart, generous way to build a better future for tourism, ensuring that both visitors and locals benefit for generations to come. So, are you ready to see the Japan that most visitors miss, and help shape a more sustainable future for travel? Scoring a free domestic flight in Japan is actually much easier than you might imagine, and it's a fantastic way to add a new adventure to your trip without breaking the bank. But before you start packing your bags, here's what you need to know to make the most of this unique opportunity. First, this offer is exclusively for international tourists. Unfortunately, Japanese residents aren't eligible, so you'll need to be visiting from abroad to take part. There are two main ways to get your free domestic flight, each with its own perks and process. The first is the Win a Trip with JAL lottery, where you apply online and let fate decide your destination, adding a sense of excitement and surprise to your journey. The second is the Book and Bundle offer, which allows you to select your preferred domestic flight when you book your international ticket directly through the JAL website. With the lottery, you won't know where you're headed until after you apply, making it perfect for adventurous travelers who love surprises. The Book and Bundle option, on the other hand, is ideal if you already have a dream destination in mind and want to plan ahead. Both options cover round-trip airfare within Japan, with no hidden fees or extra charges, but remember, you must purchase your own ticket to Japan first to qualify. The lottery campaign is set to run until March 2026, so you have plenty of time to plan, but don't wait too long. The book and bundle offer is ongoing, but it could end at any time depending on demand and availability. Eligibility depends on your country of residence, so be sure to check the official JAL website for the most up-to-date list of participating countries and any specific requirements. Seats are limited and demand is high, especially during peak travel seasons, so it's a good idea to act quickly if you want to secure your spot. This campaign is your chance to experience a bonus adventure, exploring a new region of Japan that you might not have considered before. Don't miss out. Add a surprise destination to your itinerary and make your trip to Japan even more unforgettable. Here's what you need to know before you book. Before you pack, know the rules. The free flight covers only domestic airfare. You'll still need to budget for hotels, meals, and local transport. For the lottery, apply at least a month in advance. For the bundle, book your domestic flight with your international ticket. Some travelers may face a small stopover fee if staying over 24 hours in their arrival city. Always read the terms on the JAL website and compare international fares to ensure you're getting the best deal. Sometimes a pricier international ticket could offset the free domestic flight savings. A little research goes a long way to making your adventure affordable. Now let's boost your odds of winning. Want to snag a free flight? Here's how to boost your chances. Apply early, seats go fast, and odds are better for early birds. Be flexible with travel dates. Avoid peak cherry blossom and autumn foliage seasons. Off-season travel means less competition and fewer crowds. For the lottery, keep an open mind. You can't pick your destination, but every region has something special. Have your documents ready and double-check details before applying. For the bundle, be prepared to book both flights in one go. Organization and flexibility are your best friends. With a little planning, you could be exploring a new corner of Japan for free. Won your free flight? Get ready for real adventure. You might land in Tohoku, home to stunning scenery, samurai towns, and epic snow festivals. Or maybe Shikoku, with its temple pilgrimage, vine bridges, and famous udon noodles. Kyushu offers volcanoes, hot springs, and Fukuoka's legendary ramen. Wherever you go, dive into local culture, try new foods, visit markets, and join a festival if you can. The magic is in the small moments. A chat with a shop owner, a hidden view, a taste you'll never forget. These regions offer authentic experiences far from the tourist crowds. Embrace the unexpected and let curiosity lead you. Your best memories will come from these off-the-beaten-path adventures. Now let's get you ready for your journey. This campaign is more than a free flight, it's an invitation to discover Japan's soul. Start planning, check your passport, save up and dream big. Even if you don't win, let this inspire you to explore beyond the big cities. Japan's train system and the Japan Rail Pass make rural adventures easy and affordable. The best travel stories come from being open, curious, and flexible. Talk to locals, try new things, and embrace the unknown. Keep an eye on the JAL website and get your application ready. Your Japanese adventure is waiting. Good luck and happy travels.